I've got here a 10,000 milliamps power bank. It has 35 watts. It has 2 Type-Cs and 1 USB-A. Let's unbox it and check it out. Oh, I like it. It's really nice and easy to take it out. That's cool. So we have a manual for this as well. And then we have a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it. There we go. And the actual power bank. There we go. Interesting, nice design. It's a bit glossy here, and here is more like matte. And then that's where we have the 2 USB-Cs. They're both out, so you can charge your devices if you have USB-A or USB-C. And we also have a button right here, and if we press it, we can see on the other side how much percentage the battery has. So you press it once and you get the percentage of the battery left. Now let's charge something. So there we go. So that's USB-C to Lightning cable. And then we plug this in and it's charging. There we go. Now let's try charging this tablet right here. I have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And plug it in any USB-C. And as you can see, it starts charging. And if we want, we'll plug the phone as well. And the phone is charging as well. So we have 2 devices charging off of this power bank.